At eto na naman tayo mga boss, mga master. So another video na naman ang bibigyan natin ng reaction ngayong araw na to. At sana samahan nyo ko hanggang sa huli. At umpisa natin para hindi na kayo mainit yan.
Danny was busy handling chores around the house when a strange pattern of knocks began echoing from the bathroom. First, it seemed harmless enough, the kind of sound that could be explained away by pipes or maybe even rodents inside the walls. Driven by curiosity, he decided to check it out himself, unaware that this choice would lead to one of the most terrifying moments of his life. What he expected to be something ordinary was about to turn into something far more sinister. As he stepped inside, the rhythmic knocking grew louder. It was clear the sound was coming directly from within the structure. Danny turned to head back to the living room, planning to call the exterminator on speed dial. But before he could leave, a demonic-looking figure suddenly peeked from behind the shower curtain. Overcome with horror, Danny instantly cut the record.
Parang ano lang naman eh. Pero ewan ko lang sa inyo kung ano sa tingin niyo ha.
And bolted from the house. When he pulled up his CCTV app moments later, the cameras showed nothing at all. The bathroom was empty. No intruder, no creature. Yet Danny knew what he had seen was real. A horrifying brush with something supernatural lurking in his own home.
Napansin niyo yan, ano, pagka ano
This
niyo na
chilling
pagka
recording.
pagkapaling niya nung ano nung camera niya, pagsilip niya doon, wala. Ito sa salamin pa lang to eh. Ayan, tingnan niyo ulit.
And bolted from the house. When he pulled up his CCTV app moments later, the cameras showed nothing at all. The bathroom was empty. No intruder, no creature. Yet Danny knew what he had seen was real. A horrifying brush with something supernatural lurking in his own home.
Kaya guys, kayo na bahala kung ano sa tingin nyo doon. Kumbaga nga sabi natin lagi eh, bahala na kayo ang maghusga. Okay. So next.
This chilling incident was shared by a woman on her profile, Los Polioneros TV. According to her, her little son had been speaking more frequently about his so-called imaginary companion, who often appeared in his bedroom. The boy seemed to carry on full conversations with this unseen visitor, describing him as if he were truly there. Troubled but curious, the mother began filming these unsettling moments to show her relatives. On this particular day, she hit record after her child mentioned that his...
Ay, acabo de escuchar un ruido extraño en la cocina. Ay, no. Vente, estamos solos. Ay, Dios mío.
Clearly unsettled, the mother turned toward the kitchen, and that's when she caught something bone-chilling on camera. A shadowy figure resembling a small child stood silently in the dark, staring back at her from the gloom. The sight horrified her so much that it took several days before she found the courage to post the video online. Now she is convinced her son's imaginary friend might actually be a ghostly presence. Whether it's a case of paranormal activity or a more sinister
Parang alang na dating naman parang ano eh, ewan ko lang sa inyo guys ha, kasi parang wala naman ako nakita, parang yung anino, kasi pumasok yung anak niya, 'di ba, yung bata. Baka anino lang ng bata 'to, pati wala namang ibang ano eh, ibang makikita rito eh. Ito lang naman yung anino ng bata. Ewan lang
One can
natin
only
ha.
hope this supernatural encounter doesn't spiral into something far worse. Late one night in Mexico, a family was settling in when someone noticed something unusual drifting past their bedroom window. They described it as a pale cloak-like figure gliding through the street outside. Curious and uneasy, the father grabbed his phone and went downstairs, determined to capture whatever mysterious presence was moving near their home.
Míralo ahí, loco, míralo ahí. Míralo ahí. ¿Y qué? ¿Se está haciendo? Yo te dije, loco, se parece a lo hacía Martín, loco, el que murió. Cierra la puerta, cierra la puerta. Cierra la puerta. Llama papi. Llama a papi, llama a papi. Papi, ven que aquí hay una cosa rara, yo no sé qué es. Mira, mira, llámalo, ve. Cierra la puerta. Cierra la puerta. Ay, Dios mío. Ay, Dios mío. Mira. Ay, Dios.
In the recording, we can see a ghostly white shape resembling a floating sheet, twists and hovers in the darkness. Its
Floating.
movements didn't follow the natural flow of the wind, instead gliding across the road as if under its own control. Moments later, it slipped into the shadows near a neighboring house and vanished completely.
Floating, eh naglalakad. Tapos nagbanish eh, bumaba dun eh. Pero kayo bahala lang kung maniniwala ka sa sinabi na to. Alright?
The unsettling footage left the family shaken,
Ayan o.
questioning if this was a
Floating eh
prank or
naglalakad.
an actual paranormal encounter. Neighbors have since been cautioned, but the haunting mystery remains unsolved.
Siyempre. Unsolved nyo kasi puro kalokohan lang. Ewan ko lang sa inyo guys ha. Kasi ako hindi ako naniwala eh. Pero kung kayo sa tingin nyo, totoo yung multo na yon, sa akin hindi.
Leandro was spending the evening alone while his mother attended a party. The house was quiet, yet the silence carried something unnatural. He felt an invisible weight in the air, as though unseen eyes were fixed on him. It wasn't outright fear, more like an oppressive pressure that made every breath feel heavier. Hoping to ease his nerves, he pulled out his phone and began recording, thinking the act of filming might give him some sense of control over the growing unease.
Faz horas que eu tô ouvindo um barulho aqui, então eu resolvi filmar pra vocês. Não sei, mas parece que tinha alguém, sei lá, fazendo um barulho, mexendo aqui na varanda de casa. Eu tô sozinho hoje. Minha mãe saiu, foi lá pra minha tia. Hoje eu tô sozinho. Então... Hã? Oi? A chave tá balançando. Olha só, não para. Gente, olha só, eu vou acender até a luz. Olha isso. Olha só, cara, que sinistro. Ela fica mexendo e não para. Ó, eu vou ficar até longe, ó. Olha lá. Não para de mexer. Olha isso, cara. Eu tô ouvindo um barulho, eu tô achando... Acho que é isso, a chave tava mexendo, não sei. Olha, não para. Ai, credo, velho, que susto. Ai, credo. Nossa, sinistro, essas horas, velho. Acho que não tem ninguém acordado essas horas. Só eu, aqui dentro de casa. Eu vou dormir com a luz acesa hoje, quero nem saber. Eu odeio dormir sozinho em casa, odeio. Não, tem motoqueiro na rua ainda. Mas tem uma coisa que eu detesto, é dormir sozinho em casa.
Cara, que sinistro. Que isso, cara? Olha isso.
Oh, gumalaw.
Olha aí, o ventilador. Tá doido e tá desligado, tá fora da tomada. Deixa eu acender o... Ó,
Yun lang.
olha isso. Olha lá. Não, tá de brincadeira comigo, né? Olha aqui. Tá fora da tomada ela.
Kumbaga walang saksakan.
Ah, não, velho. Na moral mesmo.
Maganda dyan pagka umandar na mabilis yan, tas walang putol yung saksakan. Magandang klase yan. Kumbaga maraming maghahanap ng ganyang electric pan. Pero eto mukhang mukhang totoo naman na umiikot siya ng kusa. Siyempre baka may nagpapagalaw. Ganun kalalabasan yan, di ba?
Era mesmo, né? Ai,
Bilis na, oh.
On camera, the first signs of paranormal activity appeared when a set of keys began to sway and jingle slowly on their own, moving in a way no draft could explain. Leandro checked behind the door, but found nothing there. Moments later, the orange fan resting behind the door started spinning. Despite being clearly unplugged, his trembling voice in the footage wavered between panic and disbelief. After shutting off the recording, he searched the house room by room, but found no intruder, no explanation. When he finally called his mother, she had no answers either. That night, sleep was impossible. The keys moved, the fan spun, and Leandro was left with the chilling thought that the ghostly force in his home wasn't just present,
Ayan, oh.
it was aware of him.
Malay natin baka lang yun, di ba? Hangin lang. Kasi open yung likod niya eh. May bintana doon. Ewan lang natin kung hangin pero di rin natin masasabi kung ano talaga ang pangyayari. Kaya bahala na kayo ang maghusga.
This unsettling clip comes from the YouTube channel Manro Vlogs. This time, they set out on a ghost hunt through a series of abandoned buildings with some fellow investigators to capture proof of paranormal activity hidden within these ruins.
Por aquí, vente. Vente. Por aquí. Miren amigos, cómo está de grandísimo esto. No la acabamos hoy, pero lo que alcancemos. Traigo esta madre en los huevos, güey. Y ando incómodo. ¿Hola? Puta madre, güey. ¿Hola? Alexis.
Hola.
No mames, Alexis.
Hola.
Ahí hay alguien. ¿Quién eres?
¿Quién eres?
¡No seas mamá! Alexis.
Hola.
No mames, Alexis.
Hola.
Ahí hay alguien. ¿Quién eres?
¿Quién eres?
¡No seas mamón! ¿Lo viste? No mames,
Ano
no mames, no
meron?
mames. Vete. Vénganse, vénganse,
Para may
vénganse, vénganse.
anino.
No mames. No mames, güey. No mames.
As they moved deeper into the decaying structure, Munro suddenly spotted a shadowy silhouette peeking at them from around a corner. The dark figure seemed to be silently observing before it slipped out of sight. The group sprinted to the exact spot, but when they arrived, there was no trace of anyone. Shaken but determined, the team pressed forward, cameras ready to catch more evidence of the haunting.
¿Qué quieres? Acércate. ¿Por qué no te acercas? ¿La ventana, Alexis? ¿En la ventana, en la ventana, en la ventana, en la ventana, güey?
Sí, hay algo ahí.
¿Hay algo? ¿Quién eres? ¡No te pases de rosca, güey! En la ventana, en la ventana, en la ventana, en la ventana, güey.
Hay algo ahí. Sí, hay algo ahí.
¿Hay algo?
May
¿Quién eres?
anino.
¡No te pases de rosca, güey! Sí, no mames, güey. Yo pensé que era otra ventana. Vente. Vente. No mames, güey. Vente. No seas mamón. Vente, Alexis, vente. Vente, mijo, vente. No mames, güey. ¿Lo viste? Yo pensé que era otra ventana, bebé. Vente, Alexis. No mames. Fui yo. Puta madre. Vente, Alexis, vente, güey. Oye, buenas noches. Vénganse. No mames, estaba aquí, güey.
Soon after, in an entirely different building, the group's cameras picked up the mysterious shadow figure once more. And just like before, the entity vanished before they could reach it. The investigators searched every room, but only found themselves alone inside. Was this a genuine shadow person haunting the ruins, or merely a disguised human lurking in the dark? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Ma at pa.
Dre and his friend were spending
Kumbaga hindi naman convincing na na multo yun or anything yun or entity. Kasi hindi na masyadong baka sila lang din yun. Kasi ganun ma-vlogger, di ba? Eto, next
the evening
natin.
together when unsettling noises began echoing from the attic above. At first, they dismissed it as nothing more than the wind or the old house groaning, but the sounds grew louder and more persistent. After some hesitation, they decided to investigate. Climbing into the dark attic, they were immediately struck by an overpowering sense of dread, as though invisible eyes were watching them from the corners. The air seemed thick and heavy, and both agreed that something about the space felt terribly wrong.
Alright, wait a minute, I gotta turn this thing on here. Recorder's on.
Alright, we got the cripple.
Yeah, I'm the cripple. I'm the EVP director.
The EVP specialist. And, let's see if I can do this. Got myself, Trey. And we're up here because we heard some noises earlier. And we're trying to figure out if we can catch a little bit more. Or try to piss this thing off enough to let us know that it's here.
I heard you up here last night. Make a noise. I kept on hearing stuff in the back of the attic on the back there on the right, like there was something hiding back there. I got it on the recorder, like all these little bangs and scratching noises. And just for the record, there's no wildlife up here. What's your name?
Oh.
Stop hiding and show yourself.
Give us a sign.
Uy.
What the hell was that?
Yung
See something?
We just got something on video.
What
Yep.
was it?
Oh my gosh, what was that?
What did it
Hang on,
look,
we gotta stop this.
what did it look like?
As the camera swept across the attic's far side, it captured a quick but undeniable movement in the shadows. There was no one else inside the house,
Ayun, no?
and no way someone could have hidden without being seen. The chilling encounter left them convinced they had witnessed genuine paranormal activity. An eerie haunting it could only be explained
Nawala rin
as a
no?
ghostly presence lurking in the attic darkness. A man named Josh is reaching his
Ayan, medyo convincing yung mga ganung bagay. Kasi biglang nawala Pero nakakatakot din ganun, kasi inahamon mo na magpakita. Malay mo kung ano yung, ay sana kung multo lang kung masamang elemento talaga, 'di ba? Mas nakakatakot at delikado.
Breaking point. After years of living with an uninvited presence, to prove the constant paranormal activity, he set up numerous cameras all throughout his home. Cleansing rituals and prayers have done nothing. The dark energy always finds a way back. Nearly every room carries its own haunting, but one recent recording has convinced him that the situation is rapidly escalating. While the house was empty, violent banging began echoing from the rooms. The sound was sharp and deliberate, as if something was demanding to be noticed. As terrifying as the noise itself was, what followed would push the haunting into a far more sinister level. The chilling wail of ghostly screams filled the house, overlapping as glowing orbs drifted into view. The louder they became, the more they resembled something demonic, as though the cries were coming from the depths of hell itself. And if that wasn't enough, Josh explained that the most horrifying part of this haunting is the poltergeist activity that sometimes surrounds him.
Bumukas yung cabinet. Uy, gumagalaw yung ano. Yun na nga. Dahan-dahan gumagalaw ah.
One cabinet door
Nahulog.
creaked open on its own, moving unnaturally, as if guided by an unseen hand. Seconds later, the kettle on the counter began to slide, then violently crashed to the floor. After enduring years of supernatural torment, Josh admits he's finally had enough. He's preparing to leave the house behind, and that may be the only way to escape this relentless haunting.
Oo, mas maganda umalis ka na lang sa lugar niya kasi ano binubulabog kayo ng ano ng entity diyan sa lugar na yun eh. Pati ang ingay, pati nakakatakot yung ganong ano, yung maririnig mong ganong ang tawag doon, sounds or huni. Parang ano parang galing impyerno eh. Pero bahala na rin kayo kung ano, kung sa tingin nyo, kung aalis ba sila o hindi. Kung baga kayong lilipat doon. Di ba? Kaya nakakatakot yung ganung bahay talaga. Siyempre, ako alis talaga ako doon.
This chilling case involves a young couple living in an apartment that locals claim is haunted.
Amor, desde hace rato estoy escuchando que alguien está intentando abrir la puerta. Escucha.
Magulat naman yung babae. Puro hawak ng kamay.
Nos acaban de levantar. Estábamos viendo una serie. Que es. Ya sí está medio fuerte el ruido. Escuchen.
Amor, 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 amor. ¿Viste eso?
No mames, no mames. No mames, ¿qué fue?
Gumalaw. Yung cortina.
Amor, se acaba de abrir la puerta. Estoy seguro que se giró.
¿Neta?
¿Sí? No mames.
No seas mamón.
No mames, amor.
Oh.
Amor, amor, no mames.
Yun, no?
No mames, no mames. No seas...
Oh.
Amor, ¿qué pedo? Está volviendo a pasar. Amor, no mames. Acabamos de grabar la puerta, la acabo de cerrar. Creemos que se va a volver a abrir porque se escuchan ruidos. Literal se acaba de escuchar un ruido. No,
Lakas eh.
no
oh.
mames. Amor, no mames.
Oh.
No mames.
They've been plagued by eerie sounds, unexplained handprints appearing on their bed,
Mm.
and doors that creak open on their own. These disturbing events have been
Yan,
escalating,
pati yung ano,
leaving the couple in
kortina.
constant fear. In one of their recordings, something strange stirs beneath the sheets, only to vanish the instant Batum pulls them back.
Ano yan? Ow! Ow! May ano rin, no? May umawak
Later,
din sa ano.
inside the bathroom, a shadowy figure briefly
Ayan,
materializes before disappearing the moment the door is opened, leaving behind the same claw-like scratches seen before. The unnerving question remains, what is truly haunting their apartment? And if it isn't paranormal activity, then what else could possibly explain these terrifying events?
Kumbaga yung ano nila, no? Ang daming kwarto. Apartment. May kapitbahay ba sila doon or ano? So, titingnan nyo, ang daming ano, pagbukas ng pintuan, ang daming pintuan din.
Appearing on their bed, and doors that creak open on their own.
Pero dito ang galing, ano? Talagang dahan-dahan bumukas sa biglang ano sa ano, di ba? Lakas
These
eh, oh.
disturbing events have been escalating, leaving the couple in
May
constant
umano rin
fear.
sa kortina niya.
In one of their recordings, something strange stirs beneath the sheets, only to vanish the instant Batum pulls them
Ayan, may
back.
nakakatakot dun eh. May nakahiga, pero walang ano. Yung... Tapos eto rin eh, oh. May anino. Alala ko tuloy si ano eh, si Cobete.
Later, inside the bathroom,
Ayun.
a
Pero sa inyo
shadowy
na rin
figure
kung ano,
briefly
kung
materializes
ano sa tingin
before
nyo
disappearing
nangyari
the
dyan.
moment the door is opened,
Kung anong
leaving
entity yun.
behind the same claw-like scratches
Kasi sa
seen
iba kasi
before.
minsan ano eh, may nangyayari talagang tunay na ganyan na hindi natin napapansin may nakahawak. Madalas yan sa ano sa mga hotel. Kung nasubukan nyo yun, kung na-experience nyo sa loob ng hotel, magugulat ka doon pagkagising mo, yung sa may ano sa may banyo nga. Hindi yung ano yung sinasabi nyong may tae pero ano, di ba? May makikita ka minsan na gano'n na, ano, may mangyayari o yan na experience nyo na gano'n na sa banyo, sa lamin doon. Pagkagising nyo, makikita nyo may nakahawak. Kasi na-experience ko yun eh. Kami-kami lang.
The unnerving question remains, what is truly haunting their apartment? And if it isn't paranormal activity, then what else could possibly explain these terrifying events? Paranormal investigator known as Raga Paranormal accepted a challenge to explore a hospital infamous for terrifying hauntings, but he never expected that one of the spirits inside would follow him home. The abandoned building was straight out of a nightmare. A decaying shell that locals whisper is more of a gateway to the afterlife than a hospital.
Kaya yung nakakatakot eh, no? Nag-explore ka lang, tapos nagaganyan ka, nag-ghost hunting, sabi, sumama.
Raga wandered through the rotting corridors, filming every step, but found nothing unusual. Disappointed, he packed his gear and left, unaware that the real haunting wouldn't begin till he stepped back inside his own home.
Oh. Uy. Galing, no? Walang tao dun, no? Kumbaga makikita mo talaga na ano, walang tao, eh, oh. Ulitin natin ulit. Ayan, ang open pack. Oh, di ba? Katakot yung ganyan. Ah, may hawak din siya yung parang EMF.
Bien aquí.
Ayun, oh.
Hola.
Oh.
From that night forward, his house transformed into a stage for chilling paranormal activity. Investigators called this phenomenon an attachment, where a ghost or entity latches onto a person rather than remaining tied to a single place. It's the kind of souvenir no ghost hunter ever wants. But this presence wasn't satisfied with only disturbing his living room. It soon began following him everywhere, even on his daily commute.
Está moviendo.
Yun lang.
Acaban de golpear la silla a mi derecha. Ahí. ¿Qué les dije? ¡Uy, hijo de puta!
The activity escalated into a terrifying game of cat and mouse. At one point, he caught a door creaking open before slamming shut with violent force. Yet, it wasn't the door that made him flee. It was the guttural growl that rumbled from the other side, a sound too deep and menacing to be mistaken for a human voice.
¡Uy, hijo de puta!
Ano?
Paranormal experts often separate human spirits from entities that were never human at all. Whispers and faint voices might suggest a ghost of the departed, but a growl like this usually signals
Oo,
something
grabe yung
darker,
growl na yun.
something openly hostile. Despite the clear danger, Raga pressed on, trying to make contact with whatever was tormenting him.
Si hay algún alma que necesita luz, que esté aquí.
Uy! Ano yun? Kala ko may bata. Iba pala yun.
Eso no me lo esperaba para nada.
Suddenly, a jug of silverware clattered violently to the ground. When he turned, a box had somehow shifted from one cabinet to another, ending up in a spot that looked impossible to fake. Piece it all together, an entity had attached itself to him, followed him from the hospital, and was now escalating by slamming doors, moving objects, and unleashing demonic growls.
Uy, hijo de puta.
Eh, nakakatakot to yung growl na yun, no?
Uy, hijo de puta.
So what exactly was this? Could it have been the restless ghost of a patient who once suffered inside the hospital's walls? or as many fear, had Roga unknowingly provoked something inhuman, a supernatural predator, now using his life as its personal hunting ground?
Kakatakot.
Share your theories, because this haunting is far from ordinary.
Meron nakakatakot yung gano'n.
Danny was busy handling
Ayun yung
hunting
ano.
ground. Share your theories. Im followed him
Growl
from the
na yun.
hospital and was now escalating by slamming doors, moving objects, and unleashing demonic growls.
Kala ko ano lang yung upuan, ano pala, ano talaga, demonic growl pala yun, you know. Ang malas mo naman kung ganyan, you know, magiging souvenir mo. Souvenir ba tawag yan? Ano, nakakatakot ng ganun na may sumama sa'yo na, ano, na entity sa bahay mo. Kung saan ka pumunta, kasama mo, nako. Kayo, sa tingin nyo, kung ganun mangyayari sa inyo, anong gagawin nyo, di ba? So, hanggang doon na lang tayo, guys. So, tapos na naman tayo ngayong araw na to. At sana sa susunod na video na gagawin natin ay kasama ko pa rin kayo. At sana wag niyong kalimutan mag-like, mag-subscribe, or follow sa aking page. At hanggang doon na lang. At paalam.